Hey guys, just having a conversation with the birds. Like when I was a kid, I used to do that growing up in the forest. Now, even though I live in the country now, I have neighbors that are still pretty close, and so it's nice to have a taste of what I grew up with, kind of, on my run with my dog. Of course, she's deciding to go explore. It's just a beautiful morning. I do believe as times in the world get more, what are you doing, girl? Get more difficult, that it's important to prepare spiritually, of course. So I've been praying on this run, and physically, I think, it doesn't hurt no matter what, even if things don't get really difficult in our lifetime. But I just encourage you, even if it's just a little walk, to go for it. Get your body moving. It's good for your mental health too. Nice to take a companion with you also. This is my companion. Anyhow, that's all I wanted to share. We are close to the end of our hike because you can hear the cars going by. So that's really it. Love you all. Thank you for listening. And I hope you get to enjoy some nature today. I know in Oklahoma today it is absolutely gorgeous. Love you all. Shalom. Shalom. Adios. I don't really want to show you guys my face because I got snot. I get cold easy.